brought to you in part by Alpine Toyota.
Well, I was going to start today's video by saying, hey, we're going to head off and go find some snow. But it snowed in town last night, so the pursuit of snow isn't going to take that long. So let's go see how much snow we can get into up at elevation. Well, this is a familiar sight, isn't it? So Skylar fixed the shock tab that broke the last time we're out, and now he's taking the shock out on the opposite side because now that side broke. Did you hear that fun noise as Mike tried to come up that hill? Turns out we're pretty sure that he just blew up his front diff. So he's going to send it in the meantime until she completely piles up, then just, unlock the hubs and we can get her home. But yeah, it's been a pretty good trip so far.
And predictably, it did not take very long before Mike was at the end of a tow strap. And that marks the end of the first snow wheeling trip this season. Unfortunately, due to mechanical failure on Mike's rig, we had to cut this trip a bit short. But boy did it ever feel great to have my pickup truck out and ripping through the snow, after missing most of last season due to the fire. Snow is my favorite part of wheeling, and I can't wait for more.
It was literally almost a whole year ago last time I was out snow wheeling in my Toyota pickup. It was December last year, so a month off. And I am super excited to be doing a whole bunch more snow wheeling this year, which includes more videos, and hopefully much longer videos. And anyways, guys, that about wraps up this week's episode of Dirt Garage. I hope you enjoyed it. If you don't mind, please smash that thumbs up button, and hey, consider subscribing. I upload weekly Toyota building, wheeling, and off-roading content. Anyways, I'll see you next week. Peace.
I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others say I'm